Hi, I'm Ben with Amerhart. I'm going to be going over this morning how simple it is to quote some items on the custom fabrication side out of PVC. These are full-size D-size plans. However, if you only have the ability to scan on 8.5 by 11, that's fine. Just scan the areas we need, email them over, and we'll get the quote going from there. On a plan like this, what I see we can quote is this front entry post wrap for decoration to go around structural items. Little brackets here that we can make in the shop. Little brackets here that we can make in the shop. If necessary, we can also make this whole window surround depending on if it's a bump out, build out. And then all I need is the specifics of what materials you'd like to use. Some of it's self-explanatory what I have to use. Other times, thickness of trim, width of trim, and we can quote from there. We'll go on to a second plan here. This one you can see is a little more involved. What we can quote on this one are solid PVC raised panel shutters all the way across. The oval window. If these are square post wraps, we can quote these as square tapered post wraps. We can also do these side window surrounds. We can also do the half round trim or spring line trim. We can do the oval trim. Again, same as before, the side window surrounds and the half round trim above. If these are square post wraps, we can quote these. More post wraps. Another oval. So you can see there's quite a bit of stuff on this plan. We can even quote the square headers in a pre-assembled, put them right above your window, assemble everything right in the job or at the shop, and just install at your job site. Here's a third plan. We can do the bread and butter, just your simple garage door eyebrow. We can also quote these out, the gable brackets, and also these tapered post wraps. Now that we've shown all the items on the plan that we can quote for the custom fabrication, I'll show you how we will get the information to you. We'll start out, usually these will all be emailed out, they can be faxed as well. I draw out every separate entity. I also price it out separately, broken down from the plan. So here's a drawing of the garage door eyebrow. Here's the drawing for the gable bracket. And here's the drawing for the post wrap. You'll notice each drawing has a description of what the exact thing that we'll be making is. There's also a signature, date, and PO sign off. Once we get a sign off, or if we have to do revisions on dimensions, we're ready to start production, which can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks usually. And it'll be on your job site ready. So again, just to go over the basic idea of the whole plan here, is you can either email full-size D-size paper plans. If you don't have the capability to send the full D-size, scanning and copying just small sections on 8.5 by 11 and scanning those and emailing or faxing over will work. And after we get that, we'll scan or we'll scale and draw out every entity that we need, email it back to you, and we'll be in production in 1 to 3 weeks.